Now we have these custom models. These were intended to be for sale a long time ago. I forgot to put them for sale. But let me tell you, I have 3 of these. This will be for giveaway. These are for my friends who commented on a previous video long time ago, before I get sick, when I was in the hospital. You know, I spent several days at the hospital, several visits to the ER, and I spent several months recovering. But I'm going to announce this in the next couple of days, so you're gonna have 3 winners that I couldn't make the video after the problems with my health. But anyway, so we have Clarabel's new friend. Look at that. There is Clarabel's new friend, custom model, really good paint. So if you guys are interested, this will be for sale. So we have 4 for sale and 3 that will be the giveaway. So I will announce the next couple of days who are the winners who watched and commented on a previous video about this giveaway. But anyways, we have 4 available custom models. Clarabel's new friend, very angry. Why is she mad?